I want to show you guys the Saucelab integrating with Selenium and Jenkins the part 3. Uh, this is very important who are working in the real work environment. They should know, they must know how Jenkins is work with UI. It's very important. Lots of people have confusion about the automation run with Jenkins and versus Selenium, Jenkins, and UI. Uh, After watching this video, I'm hoping that this confusion will be clear. And also, if you guys have any question, feel free to ask in comment section. I'll be give answer. So let's see guys what we can do, what how we can do that. So this is my code. Earlier we have one of the comment I got from the uh, in my video comment section, that the caps is a variable. The caps is an object. We create an object for desired capabilities class. Okay, so then we can have access for desired capability class. So now, because we are not it's not a class level variable. Why is not class level variable? Because we say that caps equal new desired capability, calling the desired capabilities to here. So the caps is not holding any value. Caps is actually object for this class. Okay, so now let's do what we can do for Jenkins. What we need, essential things for Jenkins. First, what we need here, we don't have to do anything here. For right now, we will be comment out for the tunnel identifier. I want to show why. I will let you know later. So now tunnel identifier clear. Idea, comment out for now. So I created one git branch is Saucelab here. So my git branch is Saucelab. I'm in now Saucelab git branch. So now if you go my code, I have the similar code whatever I have earlier. Nothing changed here. So one things you need. Remember the one things you need this XML file which we want to run. This XML file, yeah, it has to be under the project. It has to be under the project. It not has to be under the test suite, under the project. For running the Jenkins files, yes, we can do without another project. Yes, we can do. For basic people who don't have idea about how to run the Jenkins, from there for them I suggest you guys put under the project this XML file. So I already put the XML file under the project. What you need more, go to this project location. So if you go to the pom XML file, you need this plugin to run Jenkins. For now, can we do without this plugin? Yes, we can do. For now purpose, for who are the basic level or who is learning the beginner, for them I'm telling you these plugins. This plugin, make sure you have this plugin in your pom XML file. Okay, this is nothing you can find out in a Maven dependency over there, or you can just copy post there. I will put in my comment section, just copy from there. And over there I see give my suite XML files, which is my regression XML, which is here. So I giving to my path which file I want to run, which is the configuration suite XML file, which is the path of the XML file. Any name you provide the XML file, it has to be here. Okay, that's done. Nothing changed here in pom XML file. Only we are expecting that we need these plugins, this plugin. Okay, this plugin. Okay, and in this plugin, what is our customized things is our XML file, which plugin this XML file which we want to run. Okay, so that's we need essential things. And the code side, nothing else I can tell you need for now. And now let's commit this code and push to the GitHub. So why push to the GitHub? Remember, you want to run code in the Jenkins. Jenkins is the cloud where you integrate your automation testing, but you cannot keep your code in the local to run the Jenkins. Why? Because you want to do continuous integration, CI. When you do CI, it code has to be subcode management in the code in the Git level, in the cloud level, where the Jenkins can pull the code. So now that's why we pushing our code to the Jenkins. We are not merging. You can merge if you want. We are not merging masters. We put in the Saucelab under the Saucelab GitHub branch. So now I'm gonna commit it. I'm gonna say git commit directory, and I just test nothing put and commit and push, commit and push. So now we already pushed our code. So code level, we don't have anything to do right now. We already pushed code. This code is ready to run in Jenkins. Our code is ready to run. So now you go back to now our Jenkins. So I have a video for Jenkins, how to do setup Jenkins. So I'm not going to show how to do setup Jenkins. This is my Jenkins. So now question is, this Jenkins is that level similar like Jenkins as a corporate level, you working level? No, it's a local setup for Jenkins. It's a local setup for Jenkins. But when you will be working in the QA environment or any other company, this Jenkins already have setup. DevOps or TechOps, they will be keep setup for you. You have to just create a, you have to just install the plugin and create your access and just create your job and use it. Okay, you don't have to worry about how to install Jenkins. But why you are installing here? Because we want to run our test. We want to make sure we are capable to run our test in a Jenkins. For that reason, we have to install our Jenkins. That's why we installing in our local, in the local machine. So it's the local machine, it's a local host, you see. And my port number is 8000. So that's I already log in, and my earlier, if you don't have Jenkins idea, go to my video, go to the find my channel where I have Jenkins video. There's a very helpful video. You can install the Jenkins and you can take it from there. So let's now, what we have a Jenkins, very good. So what we need, so if you want to run Jenkins Saucelab job, you need few things. First, you need to access your Saucelab. So if you go to our Saucelab, am I right? If you go Saucelab, and if I go here, my user setting, this information I need to provide in the Jenkins. Where? Go back again here. We need to create our credential for Saucelab access. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to click here, and I already have a older one, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to create a new one. How are we going to create a new one? Click in here, Jenkins. This is the Kubernetes one, this is Jenkins. So I need to use Jenkins. Okay, so click the Jenkins, and over here when you go there and click here and add credential. Okay, this is add color. We are adding credential for Saucelab, remember that. So go up here and find out Saucelab, okay. So if you don't find out the Saucelab, we will be here, you will find out later. Why? I will be show it to you. First, if you have it, good. If you don't have it, we will be take it to from there. Why is not having here? So we will be find out why. So now we need a username and access key. So go here. What is my username? My username first. Don't use my username. I'm just giving example. Try to use your example this, and I have access key. If you go here and I copy the access key, okay, and going here and access key, okay, that's my this and Saucelab, Jenkins, future activation, beyond to US description. So that's nothing else. You don't have to do anything else. Done. And I already have few, so I'm going to use the one feature. So now I have credential access to. So now go to the Jenkins again. So this is second part. What third we need? If you want to run the Jenkins Saucelab job, you need a plugin. It's called Saucelab on Demand. So you have to install the plugin. So you have to go to the manage Jenkins and go down. Remember, go down and manage plugin. I already have this plugin, but you have to go to the available one. So I have installed, so I'm going to install, showing which one I have installed. So if you go Saucelabs on demand, so somewhere here, PQRS, okay, I got it here, Saucelabs on demand plugin. So I'm going to copy this one. So this plugin I already have installed. Okay, so you have to go to the available section. Okay, go available section and search here. When you search here, you should be able to see here. You should be able to see here. When you see here, please install. After install, restart your Jenkins, and this plugin will be available to Jenkins. Because I already have installed, so that's why I no need to do. I did install for earlier because I don't want to make long videos take time. So for that's why I already installed this plugin. So if you don't have installed, go to the available section and search in source on demand plugin, and you will be see here. So if you search it, and you will be see here, because I already installed, that's why you are not seeing here. Is under the install button. Okay, so now that's the part, that's it. You have to do nothing else. So if I select here, I see Saucelabs on demand over here. That's you need here, nothing else. Don't touch anything else, don't do anything else. So now go back to my Jenkins because I already have it. Let's set up for Jenkins job. Okay, let's set up a Jenkins job. So if you remember, this is the local machine Jenkins. Okay, so now we create a new one. Okay, so now over here I'm going to provide Selenium, Saucelabs, Jenkins job. And remember, our project is the Maven, so we are clicking the Maven project. Okay, and now okay, so let's now what we need over here. So we already know that we have a plugin demand, Saucelabs on demand plugin, and we have already credential. We did already earlier. So if sometime you see don't have Saucelabs credential, so first download your Saucelabs plugin, then you can add the source credential. Either way. So now you don't do anything here. Our source code management Git, because we push our code in the Git. So go here Git. Okay, so go now this is my what's called my code, where I push my code. If you go clone, go here clone and go back, and I put here. So now over here credential, there you go, the credential come here. Okay, so choose your credential over here. So I'm gonna choose future division, okay, which is my source credential. Okay, so now here is gone, and credential expected. Now remember, my branch is Saucelabs. My branch is Saucelabs. Over here, if you go here, my branch is Saucelabs. So my branch is Saucelabs. So I'm gonna take here Saucelabs, not provide the master. Okay, because I provide my code in the Saucelabs branch. So now that's we have. We don't have anything to do here. Go back. Remember, if you have successfully installed in the Saucelabs and demand, you can see here, go down, Saucelabs support. Okay, Saucelabs support, these the things. So when you click, boom, you open here. Okay, over here credential, actually I'm gonna put here another. This is, I think, my this is my code for GitHub, I forgot, and this is not a Saucelabs, this is my code credential. I don't think so you have to provide, but if you need, provide one and create a credential same way in Jenkins, and same way which I already bought for Saucelabs. I will be mentioned the end of this video. So over here you click the source support, it will open enable source connect. Must click the enable source connect and choose your credential for Saucelabs. I have for future division, which is Saucelabs. so it will be give you access for your Saucelab. Okay, you don't have to do anything here, just click here, use latest version source connect. Okay, then go advanced, and over here enable verb blocks. That's it. These few things you did, and nothing has to do here, nothing have to do here. We don't have to provide any maven command to run, because we use our code, uh, in our pom xml file. We mention that which XML file we're gonna run, so it will be pick up from there. So we don't have to mention here anything else. So now post build. So here as post build verification, if you want something, I don't want anything right now. Okay, this is we just very simple things, and yeah, done. Pass Saucelab support, and this, and parts log, it has to be always, and that's it. Pom xml here, and code should be Saucelab, my uh, branch, and my repository, which where is the code is already have. So done, my job is done here. Apply, save. So question, do I have to open the tunnel? No, because we using the Saucelab on demand. In local machine, you don't have to run tunnel, okay? Because we already using the Sauce Connect, which is the plugin. It will be, when you run the job, it will be pick up the job, your Saucelab automatically, pick up the job automatically, okay? So now if you want, we can run before that. So let's go back code here, we already have that. And now go to the Saucelab. When you go Saucelab, make sure my dashboard is open. So when I run the job, it should be tunnel, will be tunnel turn on here. This is one tunnel way, and my job will be run here. There will be no problem with that. Okay, let's do that. So let's our run, automated run from Jenkins. Boom, and I click here for see the log picking up here. Cool, I see the going to my my username and my access key. Okay, I should be tunnel should be turning up, I think. Yeah, so let's go to the Saucelab, and I see tunnel is active here, there's no problem. And now go to the automated test. See, session should be open very soon. Wait, it's a little bit take time. It's already have session. Boom. Now you don't have to touch your code, you just go here and run your test. There's a test failing, that's different problem, don't mind, but our test was picked up and test was running. There is no problem with that. Okay, so problem is here maybe version, there's the problem is version. But you see over here, if you run this, okay, let's see, we running the test. Let's see in the video what says. The one job is picked, there's no problem with that, and website is open. And problem is there's the website error, some error happening, that's different story. Okay, but our job is picked and did properly. So if you go back, and that's my Selenium job, it should be unstable, it's showing unstable. Let's see what happened. If you go job here, this build, and this build is unstable. Okay, okay, this build is here, and test result, if you go click here, they're showing here no such element, there's such element not find out. Let's see what happening. This is my code. Let's try to find out what's problem happening, why test is failing. Okay, Windows 10 version this Chrome. Okay, let me Mac OS version. what is the my version Mac OS about this Mac. Okay, okay, so let's run with this version. Let's see they have or not. MS Mac OS. Okay, Mac OS. So I'm going to provide a platform. Mac OS. Okay, and my bad. It should be platform, and I say here Mac OS, and now this is the version I want to run. Okay, so now let me commit it. Git commit directory, commit and push. So easy. You just you just pushed it and it's done. You don't have to do anything. You have a branch already configured when it's pushed successfully done. Okay, now just go here, go your code, go here. You don't have to look anything, just build up. It will be taken from the GitHub. If something problem, so we'll be skip these things. Might be this is a version issue. That's why showing the the UI part is not showing properly. But our job is speaking properly. There's no problem with that. Okay, so you guys try to define version. It will be work properly, I believe. So now, if you go to the source lab, he has a have one active version is coming and should be pick up very soon the job if there is no problem. Okay, problem is happening something. Okay, I know what's going on. First of all, I am cookies and this, and I'm gonna go here. Windows 11. Let me find out the version. Windows. I don't use Windows, guys. I have no idea Windows version. Windows 10. So Windows 10 is the latest. Should be work. I'm not sure why it's not working. And let's do that. And the last try. I don't want to make the video longer. My code is here. Windows 10 and version and Windows 10, and let's see version. What do we find out version here? Windows 10. Okay. Let's try 1903. Is that working version? Yeah, 1903. Let's try. I have no idea about Windows. 54. Okay, I mean, I don't want to change. I'm just going to push. Let's see. And the cookies option, I'm going to driver.cookies option. I'm going to delete it because this might be having problem. Git commit directory. commit and push. So yeah, we have to make sure that our job picking or not is picking. That means is okay. Then there is a toast problem. We have to fix it. That's different scenario. We should not worry about right now for that. So now if I go again, now build the job, and go to the source lab, and should be pick up job here soon. Yeah, job should be pick up here very soon. Right now, if we go here, test is running. Let's see job, source lab. Yep. So that's the important things, job picking up or not. So if job picking up, that's going here, the problem is the version is problem, and doing the non-necessary which is not supporting, that's the problem happening. So that's different story. So now we know how to run a job in the source lab. Okay, now we know how to run the source lab with Jenkins. So now easily we can do CI, continuous integration. This is the part of CI. So continuous integration. If someone asks you, you can do continuous integration, yes, you can do. This is the part of CI. You are just did Selenium, Saucelabs and Jenkins. So this is remote driver, what you are doing remotely, running your test and without touching your local machine, or without having travel with your local machine, just pressing the button in the source lab, and the run job will be run, and it will be get result here what's going on, it test fail or not. Based on that, if you go here test result, and you see where is the test failing, and you can, based on that, you can fix your code or give the report to the developer. So thank you so much for watching this video, and feel free to comment the comment section and help me to grow up with this field, and feel free to comment. If you see here also history, different history, all the history job already have here, how many time I run the test or everything, so you can see. So please uh, help me to grow up this community. So please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any question, ask me. Last things I forgot to tell you about create a credential. So you can create a credential again from again here for a GitHub over here, and choose here, and you, oh sorry, if you go add credential, and now choose from here add credential, you already choose for username with password. Over here Kubernetes Saucelabs or secret certificate, you don't need anything else like that, already have. This is global for anything, so you can provide your username, your git, and password from your git, and which is okay, it will be provide your like that, your username password from your git, and you can use when you adding your adding your what's called uh, your job. Example here we did configuration, and when you go configuration, over here when you put the git source code, over here you choose this credential. So thank you guys, see you soon for next video. Next video we will talk about how to continuous integration run test in your testing environment, so it will be help you to build your experience with your CI. Thank you so much.